The video grid layer provides both manual and automated access to a single video collection folder. A few controls are unique to this layer type. When in BPM mode, the time stretch button will force any video inside the grid to adjust its playback speed to match the master tempo. Populate the grid by using the Load button and choose a folder containing videos. Here, I'm choosing a toolkit from the complete library. Once loaded, you may click the thumbnail to expand the grid view. Special grid functions and controls are located at the top of the expanded grid. These can be mapped to MIDI and hotkeys for granular control even when the grid is collapsed. From left to right, the same power, trigger, and load grid buttons appear as in the collapse view. The mono poly switch controls if the layer will play only a single video at a time or if it will play multiple videos at a time using the selected blending mode. The arrows are often hotkeyed to control the position of the selected cell. The trigger mode button will force playback when selecting that cell using the arrow buttons or the mouse. This enables complex video playback and sequencing within the grid using only 4 hotkeys. The keyboard button causes the grid to respond to hotkeys. If no hotkey has been assigned in the grid, engaging this button will allow you to assign all cells to hotkeys automatically. The MIDI button causes the grid to respond to MIDI note messages. If no MIDI notes have been assigned to the grid, engaging this button will allow you to assign all cells to MIDI notes automatically. The Clear button allows you to clear all hotkeys and MIDI assignments within the grid. The Preview button will force a preview to appear when hovering over a cell in the grid. The Pin button will pin the grid open until the Close button is clicked. When the Pin button is disengaged, moving the mouse outside of the layer will automatically collapse the grid.